how to add your views on alcohol to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and click on your profile, and then click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down and click beliefs, and after that click views on alcohol and then select anything you want here and click this save icon in the top corner, and that's it. Now just save it again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.